Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the screw on the side cover of the device and unlatch the cover to remove it. Find the air shroud and lift it out of the system. Identify the wireless module and loosen the screw. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system. Relatch it and reconnect the cables. Install the screw to secure the module to the system. Reinsert the air shroud and secure the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.